Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. There is a big news which is coming here from TCS. TCS has started on-campus hiring for 2027 batch. TCS has huge requirement that is seen by this hiring for the 2027 batch. I will give you the complete details. Okay, so friends, first of all, I would like to tell you in TCS 2026 we have given lot many results in Digital Prime and Ninja. You can see we have we have three groups. TCS, three selected candidates, around 917 members. Online Study for You TCS, right? So there you can see, even sometimes I take the Zoom sessions to clarify their doubts, and all these conversations are happening, right? TCS selected group, this is the first group, group 1, which we had created, right? And you can see this is group 3. Again here 976 member, all selected candidates from Online Study for You, right? TCS 2 selected candidates, 1024 members. So three groups currently we have, right? And you can see these are the WhatsApp group which we have selected candidate 3, 2 and 1, right, with all these members. So that shows how many results we had given in 2026, and same we will be repeating in 2027 as well. Okay, so this is a big news which is coming here from TCS. And before I start with the deep explanation, going into deep, friends, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, because you all are definitely amazing, and because of your amazing mother. And one thing I wanted to tell you, friends, we have to make our parents proud. So today you please promise, okay, today you please promise to yourself that you are going to make your mother proud very soon. Okay, because friends, your mother, no, she wanted to tell someone that my son or my daughter is working in TCS for digital or prime role, or Infosys for SPDSC or system engineer. Your mother, that happiness on her face, no, you will not be able to realize, or you cannot even imagine when she tells that my son is, or my daughter is an engineer and works in this company. I have seen that personally. Okay, so please make a promise to your mother today. Please make a promise to yourself today that you are going to make your mother proud. Okay, anyway, so if you're from 2027 batch, you need to contact to your college. Okay, so because this is on campus, I will also talk on campus, off campus, both of the things I will talk, okay, when off campus will start. But one thing, friends, from this mail and the recruitment that TCS is doing, the onboarding, the joining, you can perfectly make it out they have use requirement. Okay, so 2027 batch, one thing which you have to do, okay, not for me, okay, for yourself, subscribe to this YouTube channel as soon as possible. Why? Because the job updates, see, I don't know how many of you have really got benefited, but when I say see the selection list, that time I understand that so many has got benefited. See, even during the see how the result came. So during the exam of TCS 2026, you see, so aptitude, reasoning, continuous live classes were ongoing, part 1, part 2, right, for topic wise SICI, right, aptitude mock test, most asked number system questions, right, so Java, Python, we did everything, and that's the reason the result came. So do subscribe, and don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, because I want you to get all the native notification on time. Now let's see. So TCS has started on campus hiring. Okay, I don't know how many colleges has got, but few colleges has got, like one of them were Kalinga, and this college I forgot to ask which particular college. Okay, so greetings from Tata Consultancy Services. We are pleased to invite eligible student from your institute to participate in the TCS Priority Institution National Qualifier Test for the 2027 graduating batch, as TCS accelerate the enterprise adoption of AI and generative AI. Don't read, even I did not understand much from that. Okay, काम की बातें करते हैं. Okay, now registration process. So visit this one. So ask your college to provide you the link. Okay, here you can go and register. Okay, but first ask your college. And friends, when you are registering, no, so this 2026 batch student, 2025, they have done lot of mistakes. Okay, they have done lot of mistakes while registering, because nobody takes it seriously. See, somebody father name is correct in PAN card but not correct in Aadhaar card, correct in marks card but not correct here. अरे भाई, एक ही पिताजी हैं यार, कैसे different नाम लिखते हो तुम लोग? See, I know we have done the mistake, but let us correct, no? right? एक ही पिताजी, हाँ. I mean, we have only one father. His name should be everywhere same. It should not be changed. Okay. So when you are registering it, each and every information, please fill it carefully and make sure that your every document has the same name. Otherwise, during your onboarding, many of the students are getting rejected. Okay. Many of the students, their documents are getting rejected, and in turn, you will be rejected. Okay. Select category as IT. Fill in the details to generate a reference ID. Click apply for drive. If a candidate already had his reference ID, please ensure apply for drive is clicked. The registration window for the assessment process will close at 14th of May 2026, 5 p.m. Kindly note the candidates will receive mail for application from completion. So right now, don't expect any link here. So better see, either you can use this link or you can ask your college. Now, so if your college comes under this priority institution. Second thing, friends, so in on campus, TCS mainly visits, okay, tier 1 or tier 2 colleges, okay, and that TCS says that priority, okay, priority institution, okay. I don't know if your college falls under that or not, okay. And then the off campus exam will be happening next year only, and that happens during your March, okay, February, March, okay. Now, so we will talk about TCS, pattern, exam pattern and all. But before that, friends, just give me a minute, okay? So you saw the results, right? And I want you also to get it selected, okay? So friends, TCS NQT crash course, okay, for 2026 and 2027 batch, for both it is same because there is no change in the pattern. And here, friends, live classes, mock test, okay, a lot of mock tests are there. We had run, right? So if you'll go and see here in the content, right, so TCS roadmap, so I'm telling you, nobody would have done this, okay. So day 1, day 2, day 3, all the recordings are available, right, in Java, Python and C++. 3 programming classes were going on, aptitude, reasoning. Hi sahab, we had done a lot, and that is the reason, right, I tell you that we had given the result. That is the reason I tell you we have given the result, right? So week 4 until your first exam, okay, after that exam analysis, everything we have done that, okay. Interviews, so there is, you do not have to think anything, blindly go for this. Even you can check with anyone that online study for you TCS NQT crash course, they will tell you that this is one of the best course. And we included DSA white book part 1, part 2, okay. So complete thing, TCS NQT 2025 asked question, 2024 asked question, 2026 was getting, the questions were tough, okay. So all those things we have done now. So please buy and start your preparation, okay. So what is the pattern and what is the syllabus, sir? Can you please talk about that? Yes. So friends, here if you go back, right, okay, so TCS basically hires for 3 different role: Ninja, Digital and Prime, okay. So for UG 3.3 LPA, 7 LPA, 9 LPA, 3.5, 7.3, 11.5 LPA, okay. So you will be having part A, foundation, numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability. Part B will be advanced and advanced coding, advanced aptitude reasoning and advanced coding, okay. Now, so if we'll talk about the total number of question, numerical ability, part A, foundation. So if you do only part A, you will be selected for Ninja. If you do part B, in part B, in coding, if you do 1 question, you will be called for digital interview. If you do both the question, you will be called for prime interview, right? Okay. So here you can see numerical ability 20 question 25 minutes, logical reasoning 20 question 25 minutes, verbal ability 25 question 25 minutes, advanced aptitude reasoning 15 question 25 minutes, advanced coding 2 questions, and then duration will be 90 minutes, okay. So I already showed you there were a lot of selections which we had given, okay. And once again at the day of Mother's Day, so I wanted every mother to be very, very happy, okay. And tomorrow she should proudly say that yes, his her son or her daughter is an engineer placed in a very good company. That is what is our main intention. So you have to make your parents proud by whatever means, whatever ways it is, and that is nothing but getting it. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. So we will be again meeting soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.